Hello children, welcome to the social studies class. Today we will discuss about the importance of Himalayas and the life of people in the northern mountains. Now let's discuss about the importance of Himalayas. So children, as you all know, the Himalayas are located in the northern border of our country. They act like a huge protective wall on the northern border of India. The Himalayas protect us from the extremely cold winds blowing from Tibet and Central Asia. The thick forest of Himalayas provide us with wood and other useful products. They stop the monsoon winds from going to the north and forces them to cause rainfall in the northern plains. The melting of snow during the summer season keep the northern rivers full of water, which is used for irrigation. Dams have been built across many rivers to produce hydroelectricity. The scenic Himalayas have become an important tourist destination of India. So the Himalayas plays a great role in the defense of India, provide us with wood and many useful products. The rivers full of water in the summer season helps in irrigation. Dams built across the rivers helps to produce hydroelectricity. Now let us discuss about the life of people in the northern mountains. The region comes under the northern mountains are Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and the 7 northeastern states. Let us first discuss about Jammu and Kashmir. It is one of the most beautiful places in the world. It is called the paradise on earth. Its weather is cold in winters and pleasant in summers. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir, it is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winters. Srinagar is famous for its Dal Lake. You can find large number of shikaras or houseboats are used for selling flowers and vegetables. The main occupation of the people of Jammu and Kashmir is agriculture. The different languages spoken by the people are Kashmiri, Ladakhi, Dogri and Urdu. The important towns and cities are Jammu, Srinagar, Gulmarg, Pahalgam. The rivers are Jhelum, Chenab. The different crops grown here are rice, maize, wheat, saffron, etc. People of Kashmir are famous for their handicraft also. The carpet and pashmina shawls of Kashmir are famous all over the world. During winter, the people of Kashmir wear a loose woolen kurta called firan to cover their whole body. They also carry kangri, a cane basket having earthen pot filled with burning coal to keep themselves warm in winter. They also take a special drink called kahwa to keep them warm in winter. And the festivals they celebrate are Shivratri and Eid, and the places of pilgrimage centers are Amarnath Cave and Vaishno Devi. Now let us discuss about Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Simla. The languages spoken are Hindi and Pahari. Important towns and cities are Simla, Kulu, Solan, Dharmasala, Mandi, Hamirpur, Kangra. The rivers are Yamuna, Ravi, Beach, Chenab. The crops grown here are rice, wheat, maize, apples, plums, peaches, apricots. The women in Himachal wear kurta, long shirt and tight paisama. They cover their head with scarf called dhaju. The men also wear similar clothes. They also wear the cap or cover their head with a Himachali cap. Kulu's Dasera is famous all over the country. The popular folk dance of Himachal is Nati, and the famous hill stations of Himachal Pradesh are Kullu, Manali and Simla. Now let us come to Uttarakhand. The capital is Dehradun. Languages are Hindi, Garhwali, Kumani. Town cities are Roorkee, Haridwar. The rivers are Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Ganga, Yamuna. The crops grown here are rice, wheat, maize, fruits, etc. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Dehradun is famous for the Indian Military Academy. The different hill stations found here are Nainital, Mussoorie. The famous pilgrim centers are Badrinath, Kedarnath, Rishikesh and Haridwar. Now let's discuss about Sikkim. The capital is Gangtok. The languages are Bhutia, Nepali, Lepcha and Limbut. The important town cities are Gangtok, Jilsing, Namchi, Mangan. The rivers are Tista, Rangpo, Rangit. The crops are grown here: millet, maize, tea, cardamom. Sikkim is located in the eastern Himalayas between Nepal and Bhutan. The word Sikkim has been derived from Sukkim, which means happy homeland. Kanchenjunga, the third highest peak in Himalayas, lies in Sikkim. Most of the people living here are the Buddhists. Rumtek Monastery is a landmark of Sikkim. The people eat rice, pulses and vegetables. They wear loose and colorful clothes. The traditional dress of women is called boku. The mask dance of Sikkim is very famous. So children, for today this much. In the next class we will discuss about the northeastern states. Thank you.